gosh, it's cold today. I really need something to eat. Oh, look, somebody's been here. Was that Joe? Oh, yep, that's definitely Joe. Okay. There, oh, there's food down there. How do I get there? Let me go think. Okay, just gotta grab this. Yep, pull that up. We're almost there. Yep. Oh yes, I got it now. Let's go. Oh, that's string. Okay, there's the seed. I can go get it. Let's just grab here. Yep. Okay. Oh, here we go. Yep, I got it now. There's the food. Yep. Oh, yes. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Oh, not this time. Let me think. Son of a chipmunk, that's hard. Let's go. One more try. You think? Yeah. Okay. No. Still kind of slippery. I can do it. I know I can do it. Okay. We're just gonna be the feeder. We're gonna give it one last shot. Yes, here I am.